Hi guys, today I'm going to show you exactly how to number slides on PowerPoint. I'm working on the desktop version here. Click on the Insert tab at the top of the screen. This brings up the Insert ribbon with all your content options. In the Insert tab, look for the text group. You'll see a button labeled Header and Footer. Click on that. This opens the Header and Footer dialog box, which is where you control slide numbers along with dates and footers. When the dialog opens, you'll see two tabs at the top, Slide and Notes and Handouts. Make sure you're on the Slide tab. This is where you set up numbering for your actual presentation slides. On the Slide tab, you'll see a checkbox labeled Slide Number. Check that box. You'll notice a small preview in the dialog that shows you where the numbers will appear by default. That's the bottom right corner of each slide. Now, here's something most people want to do below the slide number option. There's another checkbox that says, Don't show on title slide. Go ahead and check that one as well. This keeps your title slide clean and professional looking, which is standard practice for presentations. Once you've got both boxes checked, look at the bottom of the dialog. You'll see two buttons, Apply and Apply to All. Click Apply to All. This adds slide numbers to every slide in your presentation. The dialog will close and you should now see numbers appearing on your slides. Flip through your slides to confirm the numbers show up. They'll appear in the bottom right corner in a small gray font. Your title slide should be number-free, and your content slides should all display their numbers. The numbering runs sequentially from 1, so if you excluded your title slide, your second slide will show 2, your third will show 3, and so on. And that's how to number slides on PowerPoint. Thanks for watching.